Today, we've got exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With no more flagship phone launches scheduled for the rest of this year, all eyes are on Samsung's 2025 flagship lineup. And believe me, the S25 Ultra is already stirring up quite the buzz, especially with the latest confirmation of some significant upgrades. Let's get into it. One of the most highly anticipated upgrades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the return of a 16GB RAM variant. That's right. After much speculation and rumors, the upgrade has been confirmed by none other than the reliable tipster at Universes. According to his latest claim, the 16GB RAM version of the S25 Ultra is 100% confirmed. Samsung has been teasing this potential RAM bump for a while, and now it's official. For a bit of context, the last Samsung flagship to feature 16GB of RAM was the Galaxy S21 Ultra back in 2021. Since then, Samsung has dialed things down, with the Galaxy S22 Ultra and S23 Ultra maxing out at 12GB of RAM. This means that for the first time in a few years, we're seeing the RAM capacity rise back up to 16GB, and it's definitely going to boost the overall performance of the device. Now it's not just about the amount of RAM. What's more exciting is that Samsung is likely upgrading to the latest LPDDR6 RAM modules. This upgrade would place the Galaxy S25 Ultra ahead of its competition, delivering better performance, improved efficiency, and more seamless multitasking. The LPDDR6 RAM is cutting edge, meaning you can expect faster data transfer speeds and lower power consumption compared to previous models. But that's not all. Samsung recently announced the production of the world's thinnest mobile memory chips. These 12nm chips are designed specifically for on-device AI functionality, giving us a hint that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might leverage these AI-enhanced memory chips. This would enable even more advanced AI features, whether in photography, app management, or overall system performance. Of course, the RAM isn't the only hardware upgrade. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's latest flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This chipset, built on TSMC's 3nm fabrication process, promises a huge leap in both CPU and GPU performance. Not only will this chipset enhance your everyday experience, but it'll also supercharge AI performance, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra an absolute beast for tasks like gaming, multitasking, and even AI-driven camera enhancements. It remains unclear if the Snapdragon 8 Elite will be available globally, or if Samsung will use its own Exynos chipset in some markets. Historically, Samsung has offered different chipsets based on the region, but we're hoping for Snapdragon dominance worldwide this time around. While the excitement around the 16GB RAM might be justified, it's worth noting that this isn't the first time Samsung has provided this much memory. Both the Galaxy S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra had 16GB RAM variants before Samsung cut back in more recent models. But with the S25 Ultra, Samsung seems ready to push the envelope once again, giving power users that extra memory for running multiple apps, handling large files, and ensuring smooth performance all around. Speaking of AI, Samsung is reportedly introducing more AI-driven features in the S25 Ultra. These could enhance everything from photo and video processing to general system performance. As for the price, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to retain the same price point as its predecessor. That means you'll likely see a starting price of $1,299. Not bad considering all the upgrades we're expecting to see with this device. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you excited about the 16GB RAM? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Hey, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yanon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.